What gonna give me opinionated peeps? So people, I have a couple of videos for showing right now in this one clip. So the first one is of this crash allegedly occurred in Dumfries Street, St. James, and they must say, yo, the police, come on the scene for file some kind of robbery, and the next car just slam in at the police vehicle. Now we don't know how true that info is. That is just the info that was given to us. You understand, it is actually unconfirmed, but we will be investigating a bit more and finding out if that is actually the case, right? But them say, well, as we can see, there is obviously an accident with two vehicles right there, one being a police vehicle, but them say it was a robbery that was taking place, and the police come on the scene and another vehicle just slamming at the police car. Now, like we said, unconfirmed. So moving on, people may go show a next accident which occurred in Jamaica, and boy, I don't understand. This one is involving a JUTC bus. No, I do not understand how the bus get up, and you know what? I want to take a look on this and want to tell me how you think this happen, people. Look on where the bus there. Just take a look on it, right? Now the good thing about it is they are saying there was no serious injuries. No one got injured too serious, which is, we have to give God thanks to that, because it could have been worse. So thank God nobody got hurt too seriously, right? But me still just look on the bus and I said, Jano Star, why, how, what could have caused the bus to reach up there? So what the driver did that do? Did the bus get out of control? I just don't know. But anyway, moving on to the next topic, people may go show now a video right now. Now remember, I brought a topic yesterday where I said that there was a party where some police approached the scene and then you hear gunshots start to fire, and yes, well, I have a video right here, and it is alleged that this is a Klansman type shooting again. Boy, may I tell you, people, I want to check out that video here and then listen to the recording at the end of it, and then uno come to feel your own conclusion. Take a listen.
In your military, me come feel they can call me the dignitary. But powerful than your whole constabulary. I mean, my wage can't fire to me. One day if you know the people feeling hope. Seems the right to lose, I be the homeless.
Well, I think Klansman, Black Man and Tesha, so like say, man them from Spanish Town, go Portmore, Brayton. If you keep a little link up or one party, you look like more of a link up. And like, man them, because say a Klansman I was a kill Klansman, so it look like say, the man them here say Tesha side a Klansman them go and go party, so Black Man side, this side if we go line him up. We go line them up for kill them, but it look like say, they approach it and take the man then spot them, because you watch the video, the man then when they out there play domino or card game, you see one that red shirt top and look out and see them, and then after that, I see the whole of them draw weapon and start fire. But which cameraman take away and say, this is what going on in that video. No, that man then no move,
Ah boy, no, we know say it's just a voice recording and it is actually unconfirmed if that is actually how it go, but we can hear the shot them bellow out in the video. You understand me? I say, so obviously some kind of shootout go on. No, one part of the man say, say a Klansman always kills Klansman. Why? How does that make sense? Anyway, people, nothing more to say on this one. Talk to me down in the comment section. Your opinion matters.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.